folks, you really did see a Union Pacific locomotive on Alaska Railroad freight train. One of 3 lease units. These are all lease gondolas here. These are Greenbrier gonds. All right, we got 4001 heading north with a freight train, and something interesting for you in case you didn't see it in the first segment. Second motor is one of 3 Union Pacific locomotives. This one is 4479 SD70M. Here we go. Remember, second unit is a Union Pacific locomotive. This is the first Union Pacific locomotive heading to Fairbanks ever in the history of the Alaska Railroad. I see you. This string of gondolas are leased gondolas. I believe they are Greenbrier gonds. I don't know how long these gondolas are going to be leased for. I'm assuming for quite a while. The Union Pacific motors, they're going to be leased for 6 months. And guess what? There's going to be more colorful units coming. The 2 Kansas City Southern SD70 Max are on the barge as we speak.